Welcome to River Wild, a niche neighborhood on Bend's Westside, just steps from the Deschutes River with excellent access to Mount Bachelor and beyond. Let's go inside and have a look. Once inside, the soaring great room immediately stands out and makes you feel like you're in a tree house with great natural light and pine trees all around. The great room is well connected with the kitchen and dining space and is excellent for entertaining with stainless steel appliances and a breakfast bar. Also on the main floor is this primary suite that has a great closet area and bathroom and wonderful doors going out to the front deck for morning coffee. Upstairs has a lofted feel with great connectivity to the downstairs and includes 2 bedrooms, one with a Jack and Jill style bath. The downstairs of this home brings the fun with this great rec room space that would be perfect for ping pong, maybe pool, or just as a media room. Along with its access to Bend's natural amenities, this neighborhood offers a pool, clubhouse, hot tub, and fire pit, which makes it a wonderful escape for anyone. This is a great home, and we invite you to come have a look.